Hi, welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria.
The National Orientation Agency in Kwara has cautioned the public on fake 1,000 naira circulating in the state. The state director Abdul Ganiu Dare disclosed this in a statement issued in Ilori. The Borno State Governor Babagana Umar Zulum has assured residents of Maiduguri that there is no cause for alarm over the rising water level at Alo Dam. Petitioners asked Benue State Assembly to reject Commissioner nominee Timothy Njen over alleged student abuse. The federal government of Nigeria said over 275,000 students in northern Nigeria benefit from Tinubu's student loan scheme. The Yobe State Governor Alhaji Maimala Buni has approved the appointment of Honorable Ismail Ahmed Gadaka as the new Emir of Gudi following the passing of the late Emir Alhaji Isa Bunua. Now, insecurity. Troops in collaboration with DSS have rescued engineer Joshua Saleh, a lecturer at Taraba State University, at the weekend. Armed herdsmen kill Benue woman's son on rice farm in community near Elwater. Niger State Police Command has arrested 24 suspected criminals in a coordinated sitting operations targeting armed robbers. Troops of Sector 2 have killed 3 Boko Haram terrorists during a clearance operation in Borno near Magumeri local government area of the state. Similarly, ISWAP terrorists have killed the village head of Kinari, a remote settlement in Damasak Mobar local government area of Borno State. Now, politics. Former federal lawmakers from the northern Nigeria are divided over Tinubu's 2027 re-election bid following an endorsement by the 9th National Assembly. Ex-APC Northwest leader Abubakar Saidu Fakai resigned from the party. Aisha Yusuf compared Peter Obi to former President Buhari, says Buhari won presidency on popularity. If we allow APC to continue, we risk destructions, ex-governor Nasir Rufai urged Nigerians to out Tinubu's government. Now, from the international scene, Hamas said it will not disarm unless an independent Palestinian state is established. China and Russia have begun joint naval drills in the Sea of Japan as they seek to reinforce their partnership and counterbalance what they see as a United States-led global order. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.